Got some super grip on it?
Yeah, they're called Cougar Paws.
Gotcha.
Cougar Paws.
Let's see on the front. Give you some back up on the front. You can see the clearance. On the front, I got a 245 35/20. It's kind of hard to see it. I can't see if y'all can see, but yeah, it's a 245 35/20. When I got the wheels, I just went to Walmart and grabbed the cheapest tires I could find, and they're pretty good tires. Here's a better shot. 245 35/20 on the front, and then on the rear there's a back shot. You can see spacing, plenty space. And I got a family. This is with 2 car seats. I've drove with 2 car seats, me and the wife in the car, no problem. And on the rear I got 275 30/20. Got some curb rash right here. Well, what can you expect for a $300 set of wheels? And they shine still pretty good to be 11 years old or 12 years old. On the rear, I actually got good tires. I got some Nexen M5s. I think they're 101W rated. Maybe a Z. Let's see. Oh, they 97W. Sorry. Still a good rated tire though. And they ride no road noise at all. Go and look at the beefiness. It's a 9-inch rim in the back. Same, I think the Vet has a 9.5 in the back. But now I'm just gonna do a turning radius for y'all. So. We got a nice spacing, not even close to rubbing. Probably could go with even a 250, a 245 40, which what the new Camaros have. I'm thinking about it once these go out, but I'm trying to get y'all a good gap for the clearance. And then I'm gonna go right now just so y'all can see the actual clearance. That's locked. I locked it to the left, and now it's locked to the right. And you can see. I'm sure it's coming out decent enough. It's just that glare and that shadow. I don't know if that's giving y'all a good look, but basically, you know, could fit my palm in there. So yeah, we still got room, no problem. I think I can go 5 more on the sidewall. So yep, that's it. Show the other side. Tires look good. These tires got like 1,200 miles on them. I ain't been able to do the video. Yeah, we got clearance, y'all. So yeah, no adapters. Straight road is you know, it's no adapter. If you think this is an adapter, that's the rotor hub. And the hub is the same size as the Camaro, so it mounts right up. There's no shake at a high speed or anything. We got one more walk around. 2016 Chevy Malibu Limited. If you just type in 2016 Malibu, it's gonna give you the new body style. So it's a Malibu Limited. And I'll try to explain it better in the description. But yeah, Came off a SS2 Camaro, 2011. Get a good back up, give y'all a good height thing on there. To me, it's a little, the tires are a little too skinny. I would like a little bit more profile. But I had wanted to start with the lowest to make sure they would fit. And they fit, no problem. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.